Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Tuesday, October 24th, and I'm back fishing at Brushy Creek. I was hoping for a little variety. I'm sure all of you are looking for a little bit more variety. However, Kim comes back in town in a few hours, and I am unfortunately getting called into work tonight, so I had to make the most of my time, and this is the closest spot. I am using a different jig just for this particular area because a little bit more weight, a little bit more casting distance. I believe this is a 1/16th, but I will check when I get home and it will be accurate in the description. Alright, as usual, using the St. Croix Avid 5.6 2-piece ultralight. Along with my recently purchased Sienna 500 FD, spooled with 4-pound mono. I'm pretty excited. I recently made a little order to a company called Euro Tackle, which I'm sure you're all familiar with. I wanted to get something for Kim because Kim's not that great with artificials just yet. So I did get some of the mummy worms for her to try out. And of course, I had to get some stuff for myself. I actually wanted to try one of the mummy worms out, but in my mad dash to get here, I forgot. So the first one we're going for, Killer Hopper, 1.4 inches. It's part of their Micro Finesse series. Never used one of these. Seen some videos with them, or with some of their projects. This thing looks pretty cool. Stinks. It's got something what they call S-pheromone technology. And this is the green pumpkin color. Alright, I assume I can just rig it up like a normal jig. As you can see, it's looks like a little grasshopper. So, hoping to get a little match the hatch with this. Not too bad. Alright. Alright. Feels like first catch. Oh, nice. A bass. Alright. First one on the little Euro tackle here. On the hopper. Nice. Alright. Oh gosh, I'm caught. Alright, little fella. Back in you go. Awesome, awesome. Nice. Alright, cichlid here. Pretty decent size. Again on the hopper, 1/16th. I believe this is a size 6 hook. Again, I will double check when I write in the descriptions. All right. Nice. Feels like I got something. Looks like a pretty small guy here. Panfish. All right. Right here. Seems like another bass. Bring it on over to this area here. Weight to this guy here. All right, nice. This might be one of the bigger ones I've caught here. Alright, on the hopper. Let's see if I can get a better thing going on here. Alright, on the hopper. Alright. Pretty decent. I think this might be the biggest one I've caught here. And let's put him back in. And off he goes. Doesn't feel very big, but at least we know that here's the hook. All right. Nice. Hell. All right, all right. What you got? Got a little extra sticky there. All right. The panfish. Off he goes. I don't think it's been too bad. I think I caught a cichlid, 2 red breasts, 2 bass, I think. I had a few hours out here. I really wanted to try out some new plastics. As you can see, trying out this hopper. I did pretty well this morning, but obviously that's slowed down quite a bit. I've not caught anything the last couple hours, so it's probably time to head on back. Wow, folks, I just saw a squirrel fall in the water. And he does not look too pleased that that had happened to him.